In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Google Sheets. This integration is a game changer for those who want to automate workflows, sync data seamlessly, and create custom reports without the manual hassle. Whether you're looking for a simple import or a robust two-way sync, you'll find the solution that fits your needs right here. First, let's explore using Monday.com's built-in data importer. This is a great option for anyone looking for a straightforward way to bring data from Google Sheets into their Monday.com boards. To begin, head over to Monday.com and click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. From there, you'll want to select the option that says Import Data. Once you've done that, choose Google Sheets from the list of options. You'll then be prompted to sign into your Google account, and you'll need to grant Monday.com the necessary permissions to access your data. Next, select the specific Google Sheet you'd like to import. At this point, you'll map the columns from your Google Sheet to the corresponding columns in your Monday.com board. Finally, click Import to complete the process. This method is perfect for those who need to perform one-time imports or periodic updates without too much complexity. For those who require continuous synchronization between Monday.com and Google Sheets, Unito offers a fantastic no-code solution. Start by installing the Unito Spreadsheet Sync add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. It's a simple installation process that only takes a few moments. Once you have Unito installed, head back to Monday.com and add the Unito app to your workspace. The next step is to create a new flow in Unito by selecting Monday.com as your source and Google Sheets as your destination. Choose the board and the specific sheet you want to sync. This part is crucial. You'll need to map the fields between Monday.com and Google Sheets carefully. This ensures that the data transfers accurately between the two platforms. You also have the option to set the sync direction, whether you prefer a one-way or two-way sync. This flexibility means you can customize the flow to suit your specific needs. Additionally, you can apply any filters or rules that are necessary for your workflow. Once everything is set, go ahead and activate the flow to kick off the synchronization process. It's worth noting that Unito supports syncing of text and number fields between the two platforms, providing a comprehensive solution for your data syncing needs. With these options, you can efficiently integrate Monday.com with Google Sheets, paving the way for smoother operations and more effective data management. Whether you want a simple import or a dynamic two-way sync, these methods offer flexibility and insight into your workflows.